Alexander. Hi, what are you doing, monkey? You playing with your toys. Oh, soccer ball. Oh, soccer ball. Come on out. Come on out and play soccer. Come on. You're such a good player. Oh, oh, and that thing too. That thing too. Go get it. And over the toys. You see baby in the mirror? Oh, kisses for that baby. You give kisses to the baby in the mirror? Alexander. Hi. Am I gonna get a kiss too? Kiss. Yee. Yeah. Yeah. Kiss. Mwah. Kiss it for mama? Yeah. Where's your burrito? Where's your burrito? Where's your burrito? That's right. You want a puzzle? Hey, what's this? Puzzle. A puzzle! Yeah. Mommy forgot she had stuff on the stove. Yeah, you keep playing. I'll go check on it. Puzzle, that's right. Good boy.